So my VAs handle a wide range of essential tasks, including things like sourcing products. So each VA specializes in specific areas. This ensures high efficiency and expertise in their tasks. Now, finding the right VAs can seem really daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Just follow these steps. I've used onlinejobs.ph to hire all 7 of my team members for full-time positions. If you just want gig work, then try Upwork or Fiverr. At Online Jobs, you just need to post a job with the specifics of what you need and what your monthly budget is. Then you just watch all the applicants roll in. And pro tip, ask them to include a random hashtag in the title in their application. Next, filter through the applicants until you're down to about 5 or 10, and then you just need to message them with some questions and more information about the job. Most people will respond. No response? Bye-bye. Then you can arrange a call or a video call. Just bear in mind, if you're going to do a video call, most Filipinos are really shy, so you could be scaring off a really great applicant by asking for a video. Hey guys, if you want to know the exact blueprint from me going from 500 euros to over 6 million euros in sales on Amazon, subscribe for more.